Hey, and welcome back to our next video from this course entitled 5 Ways to Start an Online Home Business. Now, previously we had a short introduction into the course, what we will going to cover and how is the course structured so that you can understand easily what we are giving you as an information. Now, we want to present you before moving forward and going into more detail with each of the home business models. We want to present you the overall situation of the 5 home business models that we are going to share with you in this course. So let's dive into the actual information and see which are the 5 home business models about which we will learn inside this course. The first one is the affiliate marketing business model with video reviews. Now, this business model basically it's relied on YouTube, and more exactly it's relied on YouTube targeted traffic. You know probably very well that YouTube is the largest second search engine in the world after Google. Actually, it's a part of Google, and a lot of people are using video marketing on YouTube to drive free targeted traffic to different offers that they have to their websites, to affiliate offers to their own products to sell them. Okay, and a lot of people have great success with this. This is something that we have tested and works very well, and it's actually one of the 5 business models that you can do with literally zero money invested. The second one is physical products dropshipping. This is another great business model. It has skyrocketed in the past few years. It has seen some changes in the past few years. That means that there are different variations of this business model right now, but we will talk about the easiest one of them and the easiest one of them to start and to run. Okay. Then we will go into digital products or services dropshipping or arbitrage, because it's a little bit different than physical products dropshipping, but it's also a business model that you can start with almost zero money, okay? And basically can be very, very profitable, because when you are selling digital products or digital services, the profit margins are very high, okay? If you compare them with those from physical products dropshipping, where maybe you can add a profit margin of 25, 40, 45%, 45% maybe. With digital products, you can have even 100, 200, 300%, because you have very little costs. Then we have selling printables online, which is a very popular business model for the last 3 or 4 years now, but it also has seen some changes. It has evolved and it's a little bit different, and now it's easier than ever to go inside this business model, because it also offers different options of doing it. Then we have publishing Kindle ebooks. This is something that people are doing for maybe the last 10 or 12 years or even more, and it works great. It's a passive income business model, which makes it even better. And if you start it right and scale it to a specific level, you can get multiple 4 figures in passive income per month without having to do anything else but that. Okay, so these are the 5 business models that we are going to cover. We are going to discuss about them, and we are going to dive into more details in the following videos and lectures. Now, thank you very much for watching, and we are looking forward to see you in our next video.